Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead. Welcome to our Freedom from Suffering Now blog. I'm very excited today to be talking about a very important piece of pain management. It's called identifying and managing your stress. I know for me that when my stress levels go up, I'm not thinking very clearly because there's a biological and psychological component when stress levels get up too high. And when I don't think very well, the next thing that happens is my feelings get impacted. I start having uncomfortable emotions. The combination of those thoughts and feelings usually lead to an urge to do something that sometimes isn't really the best thing to do. And when I put that along with the decision, sometimes I decide to do things that really aren't in my best interest and things that may further amplify my levels of pain and levels of stress. So over the years, I've had to learn how to more effectively deal with this, and I've been sharing this new knowledge with a lot of the patients I've worked with for the past 30 years. I call it my 5-step process. I learned this from my dear friend and mentor, Terry Gorski. I've modified it a little bit for my needs, and the first step of this 5-step process is pause. So the first thing I need to do when I recognize my stress levels going up, it's like, oh my God, my stress is up. I need to take a time out. I need to put myself in time out. Now, when I'm in this time out, I need to activate the second step, which is called relax. During this step, I'm not allowed to think about what got me here or what I need to do or anything. I only need to focus on bringing my stress levels down. And some of the things I might use are deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, mild exercise like going for a walk or swimming if I can, and get my stress levels down to a manageable level to where I'm thinking better. Now, once I get my stress levels down, the third step is to reflect. At this step, I need to reflect on what caused me to put myself in timeout, and more importantly, how do I get myself out of this? So at the reflect step, I want to take a look objectively at all the possibilities. So what happened, what should have happened, what could happen, what would be the next best and right thing to do? That leads me to the fourth step, which is decide. Now I need to look at all this data I've just gathered in my head and decide on what's the best course of action. But I'm not done yet because the fifth step is the most important. The fifth step is called do. I call it easy does it, but do it. And I need to get into immediate, authentic action. So pause, relax, reflect, decide, and do. There's many other stress management tips, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please go to the link below to go to the rest of my Freedom from Suffering blog. This is the video blog portion. Go to the written blog portion and find out some more strategic things you can do to help you while you're in that relaxed stage of this 5-step process. I really think it's really important. I thought it was so important, I added a whole section in my book, Freedom from Suffering, A Journey of Hope, on how to identify and manage levels of stress, including a copy of Terry Gorski's Stress Thermometer. I would really invite you to check this out, and again, check out at the link below this if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're seeing this on my blog site, there's a link at the end of this to check out the book. And it comes in either paper or ebook. The bottom line is that we are responsible for letting our stress go up, and we are more than doubly responsible for helping ourselves bring our levels of stress down. And when stress goes up, pain goes up. When stress goes down, pain goes down. So it's really an important tool to learn. So thank you for your time, and please check back frequently because I will be posting here frequently and would love to hear your comments. Thank you.